So my uncle, he's seen 500,000 rand that. So he came to me, he was like, boy,
Hey, what's good and bad? Big fish with a hyena attitude. You already know what it is. If you didn't know it, then you're about to find out. Let's get it.
so my uncle, he's seen 500,000 rand that. So he came to me, he was like, boy, I only have 25,000 rand. Can you please help? And I was like, okay, say less. So guys, this is day one of me helping my uncle pay his 500,000 rand debt. This is day one. Let's see how we can help. So this is how it went. Let's go. Yeah, so guys, as you can see so far today from the 25k we've made 57,000 rand. So the target for the day is 100k. Remember, it's still day one. So once we reach 100k, we stop and wait for the next day and see what's up. Let's get it.
Yo, I think about everything, dig. Yeah. I came from nothing, I had nothing. I used to think I got nothing to lose. Now I got shit to lose. Hating on me, you gotta make sure your boss blues. I fuck the gang, they don't know me, they got no clue. Getting so high, hope to speak to pause face to face. Like, why did you have to live so early? I only know yoga sexy, money made me meditate. I got it so bad right now, she feeling like man make. They said I never make it, I keep on elevating. The same motherfuckers, man, they never made it. Things was done, you won't believe it, and I ain't shit. It's crazy how I almost got kicked few times in the place that's supposed to send me. A black community, don't wanna see a black child in Mercedes. I survived all the nightmares you only dream about. The sides are the same, but you can't be in my shoes, but we gon' stay high. High on top of the clouds, we belong to fly. High beyond the sky. Yeah. I'm what they're looking for. Yeah. Look around, stop it. Yeah.
Yeah guys, as you can see, like I said, the target was 100k, so 142,000 rand back. So it means we are done for the day. Let's see what's happening the next day, guys. Let's get it. Forex Hyenas.